Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it is Thursday and it should be a running day. I will keep you guys noted on that and you'll see either just after the intro whether I go for a run or not. But yeah, another work day to get through. Let's roll the intro. It is raining outside. Try not to dox myself here. Rain, 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 rain. So this is gonna be fun. Wish me luck. The rain is getting a little heavier. Nice because the rain means that this road is completely empty. It's not even a road, pathway. Feeling good. This is week 8 of the Couch to 5k and I'm doing, no, week 9 I think actually, and the final week and my first 30-minute run. The weather could be nicer, but actually running in this weather is actually quite nice. It's not too warm, so you don't get boiling hot whilst running. But anyway, halfway through, the rain's still coming down. 10 minutes left to go. I can do this.
I walk through your door. It's never been quite this long before.
It is still raining. Oh, my hair is so wet. That was good. I did 3.5k, which is my personal best so far this round doing Couch to 5k. I've got 2 more runs left. And then that is Couch 5k, 3rd time done. I'm gonna power walk home now. I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh my god, I am soaked. Even my socks have wet patches on them. What a tune. Last Christmas, I'm listening to a Christmas album and I'm obsessed, guys. And if you're wondering, it's Backstreet Boys. A very Backstreet Christmas. Alright, it's now just gone 6. Signed off for the day. Actually signed off for the weekend. I have tomorrow off work, which is exciting. I'm planning to use it for Christmas shopping mainly, not going to lie. Let's do the advent calendars. I don't think I did Millie's yesterday, I just realised. What is the date today? It is the 7th, also known as my brother's birthday. Right. Hello. It is much later now. I actually don't know what time it is. That'd be wise, wouldn't it? It is... I got lost in reading a book. And I also have just been feeling like a little bit low today. These days sometimes where I'm just not feeling great. So, I'm gonna make myself some dinner now. A little bit late. But I'm gonna have a simple pasta meal. And I will do my usual, what I used to have as a child, which is salami, pasta, butter and parmesan cheese, and that's what I'll have for dinner today. I do have to be up early in the morning, even though tomorrow I do have off work. I have a dentist appointment early in the morning, so I am probably going to end the vlog here now and actually go to bed early because it's at like 8 o'clock, which is earlier than usual. I don't know if anyone else's dad is like this. I've asked him what he wants for Christmas. He reads my message, doesn't respond. So that's going to be great. I'm going to try and see if Mum can figure something out and tell me tomorrow what he would like. Let's have my dinner at 11:30 at night. I feel like I put on quite a good mask sometimes, and like I never really share like how low I get, but I have days where I feel quite crappy, and today's been one of them. Running really helps me out, which is why I decided to go for a run today, even though it was pouring with rain, because I knew it would help me a little bit. And then I tried to like cheer myself up with a little sing-along this afternoon with some Christmas songs. Not sure how that went down. Sometimes my mind just wanders. I don't know. I just double think everything and overthink everything. Not double think. Overthink everything and like compare my life to others and like how everyone else is like so far advanced than me. Not gonna lie, it's quite depressing when you have to make these vlogs every single day and you have no one to film with or like vlog with. Like it's just me, myself and I, and like imagine my vlogs if I was with someone. But none of my family are really into videos. We're gonna end the vlog here and I'll catch you guys tomorrow for a decorating video. What I don't know, advanced warning, is Monday's video, if that's gonna go up in time or not, because I'm going out for my brother's birthday meal on Monday night and straight after work basically. So I don't know what I will film on Sunday, and on Sunday it's quite exciting as I'm going to London, so I kind of want to vlog some of that, but how much do I vlog without it being a headache for me to edit and upload the next day, you know what I mean? And I want these to be consistently up around 8 PM, so trying to figure something out with that, trying to think of how I can like make it easier on myself, but see you guys tomorrow. Good night.